What's up, online shoppers? If COVID taught me one thing, it was how to cut my husband's hair. And we've been through a few set of clippers and I've just ordered a new set. So let's open up the box and see what this one's like. Now this is the professional set from Jack and Rose. And I'm just gonna open it up like this and take out the contents like this. Okay. So in the box, you get 1, 2 clippers. Here are some of the guides. Here are the rest of the guides. A maintenance container, a case to keep them in, and a hairdresser's cape. I love it. The cape, fantastic, because I always end up trying to find something to put over my husband while I cut his hair, and this just solved me from having to get one. Ooh, it's a nice, silky, masculine material, and look at that. It's got a really nice elastic gathered neck, and it's got a cool clip. It just goes like this to clip together. So now we've got this great little cape for us to use like this. There we go. Wow, that's impressive. I like it. That's a very good addition. There's our cape. Now you get a trimmer right here. This is for the really fine detailed work. This is a zero gap T-blade, and it also does come with a blade that's removable, so you can use that depending on how close you want to get. This is really great for trimming up edges and getting a straight line like along the back of their neck. And I will tell you, I am not a hairdresser. I just learned what to do in COVID, and now I am his hairdresser. And as well, this blade here can cut between 0.2 and 0.8 millimeters. So you've got a little bit of a range here, and the guide also helps with that. Now I love that it will sit flat. That's a win for me. Now here is the trimmer, and I gotta tell you, it's kind of sexy. Like, I love the color. It's kind of this darkened smoky chrome right here, and it feels really nice in my hand. There's obviously like a thumb rest right here. You've got an indicator here for power to show you charge, and it comes charged already. That's pretty cool. Right here, there's an indicator, and it says that you have 100% of the power left. And I'm not having a hard time talking over top of the noise of the motor. It's actually super, super quiet, and I like that. Now, another thing that's pretty cool is that you can automatically adjust the length that this will cut by moving this lever. You can see the change. It goes from 0.2 to 0.8, which is great. You've got that variability. Plus, you also have all the guides that they send in the case. So these are cordless, which means you have to charge them, maintain the charge, but otherwise you're not going to be stuck connected to a cord, and I think that's pretty awesome. You also get an instruction guide, and I like that when they send it to you, they actually send a protective cover for the blade so that it doesn't get dinged around, and also so you don't accidentally cut yourself or catch yourself on the edge, because it is pretty sharp. Now, as far as the accessories go, we have a wide variety of sizes, and I love that they're really clearly labeled on the guide. You can see nice and easy. The numbers are super clear to see. So we've got all these different edges. I'll give you a close-up of them in a second. I really like how many edges these have, because I've had clippers before and they haven't had all that much to choose from, but there are a ton of edges here. Definitely more than any other set I've ever had. I'm gonna put them all out and then I'm gonna show you them. I'll give you a close-up of them. This is fantastic. You also get this little maintenance set here, which, oops, which is great. This is the oil for putting right onto your clipper for maintenance, and then the little brush for removing everything. And then you also have your charging cord. It plugs into a block, so you will have to provide your own block, but otherwise, here it is. And they also give you a comb to help with your hairdressing. Now, as far as how long this battery is going to last, the battery is going to last for 240 minutes, which is going to give you quite a few haircuts between the first time you turn it on and the time it needs to be plugged in for charge. Just a quick review of what you get in this package. You get 10 different guide heads. You get 3 different guide heads for your trimmer. You get this maintenance kit. You get a USB charging cord for each of your units. You get the main clippers and the trimmer for trimming beards and edging, and a comb, and this really nice cape, all in this package. I think this is awesome. I'm super impressed with the quality of it. I love that I'm gonna get 240 minutes of charge time on a single charge, and I love the cordless design. I think this is an awesome little set. I am certainly looking forward to getting it to use. I think it's gonna give me a little bit more flexibility with regards to what I can do with my husband's hair, and I am overall really impressed. This one here, definitely gonna be a family favorite at my house.